Welcome to Abacus Trainer, a trusted name in Abacus and Vedic Maths training since 2022. In just a short time, we've empowered thousands of children across multiple countries with skills that go far beyond academics. Our mission is simple yet powerful: to help students gain confidence, sharpen focus, and unlock their potential, while also giving aspiring instructors the chance to build meaningful, flexible, work-from-home careers. At Abacus Trainer, learning is not just about numbers, it's about shaping brighter futures, one child and one trainer at a time. For children, we offer structured programs in Junior Abacus, Senior Abacus, and Vedic Maths. Every class is conducted live online by certified trainers, with access to recordings, practice worksheets, and personalized progress dashboards. The results are remarkable. Students calculate faster, improve memory, focus better, and perform strongly in academics. Parents also receive regular updates, making it easy to track their child's journey step by step. Now, let's talk about opportunities for instructors. At Abacus Trainer, we provide one of the most rewarding work-from-home career options for passionate educators. Jobs for Abacus teachers. Start your career with abacustrainer.com. Work from home, on your own terms. Earn 30,000 plus per month. Choose flexible, comfortable timings. Join a community of over 100 happy instructors already teaching with us. And here's the best part: wherever you train, we provide the students to you. You don't need to worry about marketing or searching for leads. We ensure you can begin teaching immediately after certification. Through our professional certification programs in Abacus and Vedic Maths, you'll be fully prepared to teach within 3 to 6 months, supported every step of the way with our resources and guidance. This is not just a job. It's a fulfilling career where you help children grow sharper, more confident, and academically stronger, while enjoying financial independence and work-life balance. For those who dream bigger, Abacus Trainer also offers exciting opportunities to expand into franchises and centers. We don't just train you and step away, we guide you in building your batches, expanding into centers, and even running full-fledged franchises with our ongoing support. Our trainer dashboard makes class management simple. You can create batches, assign worksheets, conduct mock tests, and track every student's progress, all in one place. All the materials, worksheets, drills, and practice guides are provided by us, so you can focus on teaching and growing. Many instructors begin with just a few students and gradually expand into larger groups. With our mentorship and resources, some successfully scale up into full centers or franchise models. The best part? You control your time, your pace, and your growth, earning while making a lasting difference in children's lives. Add-on services and benefits. Abacus Trainer is more than just classes, it's a complete support ecosystem. For schools, we provide ready-to-implement Abacus and Vedic Maths programs that can be seamlessly integrated into their curriculum. For trainers, we ensure unmatched support, monthly student leads, access to a 60K plus question bank, along with tools to track student performance. One of our most innovative offerings is Competition Conductor, a platform where trainers, schools, or organizations can host competitions in Abacus. Just a few clicks, events are created, promoted, and supported with certificates and digital badges for participants. This ecosystem ensures that every student, every trainer, and every institution has the resources, opportunities, and support to thrive. At Abacus Trainer, we believe in one powerful idea: learn, teach, and achieve. We help students become sharper and more confident. We help trainers build flexible, rewarding careers. And we help schools and organizations bring impactful programs to their communities. Join us today and be part of a global learning community that is transforming education and changing lives.